In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Power Query, often referred to as Excel's built-in query tool. Power Query, which you might also recognize as Get and Transform Data, is an incredibly powerful feature in Excel that allows you to import, shape, and analyze data from a variety of sources, all within your spreadsheet. Whether you're looking to clean up massive data sets, merge tables, or analyze data more efficiently, Power Query can significantly streamline your workflow. Now, you might be wondering where exactly to find this nifty tool in Excel. Let me help you with that. Open your Excel application and navigate to the Data tab, which you'll see at the top of your screen. If you're familiar with this section, you'll already know it contains a wealth of data tools. Right within this tab, you'll find the Get and Transform Data group. This is your gateway to Power Query. You'll see options here like From Table Range, From Web, From Folder, among others, which indicate the various ways you can bring data into Excel from different sources. Once you're in the Get and Transform Data group, you can start importing data from wherever it lives, be it a web page, a database, a folder on your computer, or even other Excel workbooks. Power Query allows you to bring all of that data together right into Excel. Once you've brought in the data, the real magic happens. Power Query shines by enabling you to shape that data in any way you need. Want to remove columns you don't need? There's a straightforward option for that. Need to filter rows based on certain criteria? Power Query makes it simple. You can even combine data from multiple sources into a single coherent table for deeper analysis. An essential part of Power Query is the editor, where you carry out these transformations. In this interface, you can apply a myriad of transformations and manipulations to clean and prepare your data for analysis. Add or transform columns, trim down your data to only what's necessary, or perform mathematical operations. Every change you make gets recorded in a sequence of steps, which you can review and modify at any point in your process. This step recording feature ensures that you can easily rerun these transformations on new datasets, creating a dynamic and reusable data preparation process. Power Query is not only about importing and transforming data, but also about making your data work for you. By the end of this video, my aim is that you'll have a robust understanding of Power Query and will feel empowered to dig deeper into your data analysis tasks with more efficiency and effectiveness. Stay tuned as we explore this transformative tool together, unlocking the potential of Excel to handle more data in less time and with greater accuracy than ever before.